Alright, so this is some of the members of Red Raven Airsoft doing 2 mystery box unboxings, and we're not sure what we got. We think we have 2 different ones, but we'll certainly see in a minute. Tactical Gen 2. Let's see what we got on the inside. Ooh, yeah, there we go. Got a nice M4. Got a patch. Got an extra, looks like a barrel and some rails. Fairly light. Oh, a jamming rod. Definitely need one of those. Oh. Functional dust cover. Rail space, I like it. Flip-up sights, foldable stock, not foldable, telescoping stock. It came with, if I can, nunchuck battery and charger. Definitely a pretty good deal for that. I'm not sure where this was on the rarity scale in the box, but certainly a good deal for what we paid into it, man.
I agree. Actually, I think there's still something in the box.
Good eye.
I had a feeling it was a combo pack.
Yep, you got the combo pack. CO2 powered Barilla, Apex, 15 round mag. Definitely a good deal. That's got some heft to it. Oh yeah. Definitely, I like the feel of that. Short, but definitely good. Plastic trigger, but for a combo pack, aluminum slide. Pretty cool.
Red Raven Airsoft. Another unboxing. Let's see what we got. We already got a Lancer Tac for the first one and a gas blowback Beretta. Let's see what we get for the second one. Adam?
Yeah, that one has more paper.
Well. I guess I'm going to eat my words.
Yep.
I really did not expect that. I really did not.
Yeah.
Well, looks like we got a Jag Arms scattergun. And I really didn't think I was going to get one of these, even though the value of them was up there. Box didn't weigh what I thought, and felt like there was a lot more space in there, even with the packaging. So, let's see what model I actually got. Let's see if it's the bare bones model, or if it's the SPX model with all those little goodies. Alright, fair enough. Fair enough. And if I'm correct, yes, it's the bare bones model, but it looks like it's the short version. This really does.
Better for running.
That is true. And
Telescoping stock.
okay.
Got a pistol grip.
Yeah.
Couple of sling mounts.
Looks like it comes with only one removable and little opening style. Full metal with the exception of the plastic foregrip and the pump and the pistol grip. Yeah.
Makes a beautiful sound though when it gets pumped. Comes with an unjamming rod, 3 shells, and a speed loader.
And it's actually held in very well with all the formed foam. Yeah, the basics all you need to get ready for just any CQB. And if I'm correct,
Shells are 30 rounds apiece, so you get 90 rounds right out of the boxes. Not a bad deal.
No. So you could easily fill these 3 plus fill your speed loader and be able to have, what, 180 rounds in one game? That sounds like a lot of fun to me.
Oh yeah.
Let's see. Regular micro sights with, that actually looks like a glow-in-the-dark sight. It actually does look like a glow-in-the-dark rear sight.
It certainly does. That is not painted. That is certainly a glow-in-the-dark bulb.
Alright.
Definitely does feel good. The hands. A little bit of a shortness, but definitely workable. CQB, or if you're running close quarters, even outdoors, these things are usually pretty accurate.
Yeah, they are. And if my memory serves me right, you can change this from 3 to 6 shot burst. More or less 6 shot, yeah, you'll definitely deplete the gas a lot faster, but I'm pretty sure your enemies will be able to call their hits a little bit easier. So, let's see here. Removable QD sling mount? Yes, it is for the other side.
You got AMD dextric, rail mounts on it.
Let's see, and looks like the round discharge, if you put a round in, push a lever, but if you push it again, all the way down, it's a self-ejecting system.